Index or rapid?
Yeah, index is fine.
Here, I can do this for you. Ready?
Yep.
I'm going to go real fast.
Excellent.
Okay.
All right, can you rapid the Z in and out?
Sure.
Yeah. Then the X.
Put that at home. X. I'm a little feared. Let me go with Z first.
Yeah, let's bring it out in the middle. Perfect.
Okay. Okay.
Can you bring it back out again and do the Y?
I haven't manually done the Y ever on this one. I mean, it works, but it's just. Let me bring it out. Hold on. I'll bring it back out.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'll hit. Is the line moving?
I can't see
I'm
it.
at the limit. I went the wrong way.
Okay.
Okay, and come up. Now it's coming up.
Yeah.
See it? Okay, I'll zero it out. There you go.
Got it. And then let's do
Bottom to
X
it.
and Z on the bottom, please. Or
Ready?
whatever you want. Yep.
Hit home. And then we'll index.
Cool. And then can you, on the top chart, can you jog one of the live milling tools?
Sure.
Perfect. That's it.